I could have went ahead and took profits here for a quick scalp. Well, it seems like they're fighting for it now. Apple's putting in a higher low. Tesla's on the higher day. The Qs are on a triple bottom. Power of threes, seeming to be trying to hold it. Only thing that's gotten me a little has my attention is Meta's looking a little weak right now, but Meta can't rip every day. That was one of my clues as to that we're gonna actually dump a little bit more off the open because I didn't see Meta ripping off the open like it usually does. Now I do see Meta trying to bounce and head towards VWAP in the 120, breaking above the 9 EMA right now. Still a chance for that gap fill. You got the Qs on this triple bottom. They're just selling into it though. I might go ahead and stop out of this. Right now they're in the money. Probably should have taken profits here. Like I said, the longer we stay down here and consolidate and don't break down any further, the more of a chance we have to actually, reclaim 453, and start trending up. All right, here comes another retest of 453. Tape starting to move fast. See the level 2 and the tape starts speeding up, breaking above VWAP. See what we're looking like on this particular trade. And right now, barely in the green on the trade. Let's see if we can let our winners run a little bit. All right, so clear break above 453. I thought I seen one. The Qs hit that triple bottom around 388.30s and is trying to break past 388.75. Now, if the Qs can break past that and also reclaim VWAP, it's looking good. These 453s are looking decent right now. I could actually go ahead and close them out. About $300. Just selling into it. I need to work on letting my winners run a little bit. It's just hard when you have data coming out. We're coming back down to test 453. I have no problem with the retest as long as we don't crack it. I probably should have went ahead and snatched those profits off, but let's let it work. I got to stop in place. Oh, double bottom, 1, 2, then the higher low. So I don't like how we just pulled all the way back and cracked 453. Now we're wicking to the upside of the 9 EMA and 453 major psychological level. There's still some resistance up here. In order for me to really be sold on the long, I need to see us break above all this right here. 453 and some change. See how they're selling and everything. Oh no, these dip buyers are relentless though. But the Qs look like they're rolling over. I'm about to close this trade out if we don't break out here pretty soon. I like the consolidation above 453 and above VWAP. All right, so if we get back up here, I'm gonna go ahead and close that trade out. I can close it out right now. Let me see where we're at. I can close it right now. Let's go ahead and close this one and regroup. Look, if I wanna close out of that right there, that would have been a red trade. Yeah, it's just market's looking pretty heavy, bro. As soon as I close out that shit, we start dumping. It doesn't mean that we're gonna dump, but obviously the market's looking heavy and bearish. But again, the longer we can consolidate above 452.75, the more of a chance we have to actually break past 453 and trend up. Like right about now, see how they're buying it? They've been a nice little scalp right there. They're giving us a second chance. Pull back. All right, so now you got the Qs with the quad bottom wicking to the upside. Tesla's still near the high day. Meta's like in the middle. Apple 1, 2, 3. Apple starting to bounce. Pull back one more time. Get them 453s again, bro. I want to see us come down here and retest this 452.75s and see if we're gonna hold it. They're selling into it, but at the same time, we opened near the pre-market low. I'll do a little contrarian trade here. Get me in
filled.
up on those. Let's go ahead and they're selling into it, bro. This is wick off of 453. All right, see, I'm not liking how we just dumped, gave up the 9 EMA and wick into the downside. I'll give it a little bit more time, but I kind of feel like moving my stop up a little closer just to protect my gains. You can't really see the chart. Here, I can go like this. So that's what it's looking like. So I got in here about break it, actually a little in the money. Let me see, about 250. Feeling like I should have went ahead and seen profits take profits. See, we're just up 250. Now we're break even. I don't like how we bounced all the way up here and wicked all the way down and cracked 453. However, I maintain the longer we can consolidate above this level and not break down, the more of a chance we have to break past 453 and eventually trend up. But if it doesn't happen here pretty soon, like, see, I'm about to get stopped out here. Just pull that back just a little bit so I don't get stopped on it. Oh, no, man. Looks like we about to dump, son. About to stop out. Probably should have took them profits here. Again, bro, I maintain the longer we consolidate down here and don't break down this level right here, I'm considering 452.75 a key level, and obviously 453 key level, major psychological level. Hey, those 453 should be in the money, based off of my entry. And the market's looking bearish as hell, bro. I'm about to just stop out for break even. I probably should have just took profits here, because now we're about to dump. I mean, the Qs are on the lower date, but I've been seeing some divergence here between the Qs and the SPY. The SPY's basically been consolidating around 453, but the Qs has cracked that quad bottom and is like putting in a new low as we speak. I feel like that will drag the SPY down. However, the S&P 500 has been consolidating for a while. It's still opportunity for the gap fill to the upside. Oh, there we go. Breaking past 453. There we go. I could go ahead and take profits on those. It's just because I don't like how the market's moving right now. I just need to work on letting my winners run. Look, we're breaking past VWAP. They're just selling into everything. Give me one more push up there and I'm going to go ahead and close it out. All right, we'll close that out. Keep going. 306, 386, 350. Let's go ahead and close that out.
Order cancelled.
See profits, take profits. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Did not close out.
Order cancelled.
Thank you very much, sir.
Order filled.
I'm just getting out because it's moving crazy right now.